Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll be unboxing an amplifier, a high power amplifier, very popular amplifier, but this is version 2 of the Down4Sound JP23. This is the JP23v2 unboxing now. This is for a build that I'm working on, so we're gonna get right to it. See what's in this box. I've seen it dynoed by my man Big D or Williston Labs, and it put us some great numbers that I need to power my American Bass XFL XFL 12s. I got 2 of them, and this is just what they need numbers wise. I can't wait to put them together with the box and feel that thunder. Trying to open this up now. My knife's a little dull. I guess I've been opening a lot of things for this upcoming build. And make sure you tune in. I should be starting to build, posting some things in about a week or so. Here we go. Put the knife up, safety first. You get to see what's in here before I do. How about that? We don't need this. Oh, I see a box. I see a box. Keep it out of here because I see a box. Oh, man. What else is in here? I saw one of the reviewers, nice sticker. Saw one of the reviewers in a bill. I saw one of the reviewers get a lanyard before. I want some goodies like that. So here we go. JP23v2, Down4Sound. Oh, got some numbers on the back for you. Power ratings: 2800 watts RMS at 14.4 volt 1 ohm. I'll be running my subs at 1 ohm. And these did over 3300 watts RMS on the dyno. So I'll be pushing 3300 to my 2 American Bass XFL 1244s. And 1800 watts at 14 volt 2 ohm. That's powerful. Then you got all your numbers over here. Frequency response: 10 hertz to 270 hertz. Signal to noise ratio: 97 dB. Damping factor: 340. Input sensitivity: 6 volts to 0.2 volts. Subsonic filter: 10 hertz to 50 hertz. Low pass filter: 35 hertz to 250 hertz. Bass boost at 45 hertz, 0 to 9 dB. Strappable: that means you can put more than 1 amp together to power some super subs. Has a clipping indicator or a clipping light, aluminum remote control with voltage, temperature display, thermal and clipping indicator, all on the remote control. Without any further ado, let's open it up. I gave you that first look into the box. I want to take the first look in this one because I'm so excited. You don't even understand. Oh, another box. See that? Being selfish never pays. I'm excited, so excited. Just cut the ends. I don't want to even take a chance of scratching this. And oh man, I just saw the lid pop up and I saw what's under there. I see this color. I see this logo. Let me turn it around to you. Check it out. Oh yeah, I got teal, which is definitely a different color. I won't call it an odd color because it's a good. How do I get this out? Let's try that first. Okay, I don't want to push on any connections or anything. Here we go. Pull that out, slide that over, pull this up. What's in the box? We have Allen's keys. You have a cord for your bass knob. Oh, wow. Let me get close for you for this one. Check it out. This is the bass knob. It matches the amp. Are they serious? Are they so serious right now? Look at this. Look at this. I couldn't wait to get my hands on it. And it's a telephone style connector there. Dude, it mounts like this. This is beautiful. Oh, nice dampened potentiometer. A little bit of friction in there, which is good. You see this? Wow. Let's put this right back. And you have a little screwdriver here. I'll tell you why. In this little port, you place a screwdriver to adjust the voltage to whatever you're getting your voltage readings from, be it a multimeter or your car's onboard voltage readings. So if this is all from your multimeter or your car, you can adjust this up or down to match that voltage. That way you know what you're getting as soon as you glance at this. It's matching up with what you use to gauge your voltage by. Man, that's exciting. I love that. Has some styrofoam in there to keep it still, keep it safe in transit. This is nice. This is nice. All right, let's put that back. Let's get to the big boy. This is the little boy with the clipping indicator and temperature and voltage. Now, let's get to the big boy. This, before we get to that, man, I'm excited. It also comes with an owner's manual, JP23v2. See that? Read me first or not, but still, read me first. You must read this if you're going to install it yourself, or even if you go to a shop, just so they know if there are any little differences with what this requires. It has your specs again, has all your features, your power connections, how to wire it up, how to wire your subs. That's nice. And it has crossover settings on the back for LPF and subsonic. Oh, the potentiometers have 41 clicks, so you can set the exact crossover frequency desired. Are you kidding me? It's no guesswork. Are you kidding me? Oh, wow. That's a game changer right there. That's a game changer. You don't have to wonder what time on the analog clock your dial is set to. Without any further ado, I would like to introduce to you the Down4Sound JP23v2 in teal. This color is hot. Hot. Let me show you the inputs here. You have your RCA Tiffany style inputs. You have your power, your protect, your clip light, your gain settings, subsonic filter, bass boost, input for your remote, your low pass filter, your output, whether you're just using this as a master or a slave if you strap them up, and that's the out if you're using it as a master. And on this side, you got your 0 gauge ground, your 0 gauge 12 volt, 8 gauge remote. That's beefy. Then you got your 8 gauge speaker wires. Oh yeah. Plot twist. You see that? That's beautiful. That's a thing of beauty. That is a thing of beauty. Down4Sound JP23v2 mono block amplifier. 5 out of 5 stars.